Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study about continuous or progressive tenses. The continuous or progressive tense shows an action that is, was, or will be in progress at a certain time. Let us begin with present continuous or progressive tense. The form or construction for affirmative sentences will be like this: subject plus am, is, are, plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. And the examples are: I am going, she is drinking milk. For negative construction, the form will be like this: subject plus shall or will plus not plus first form of the verb plus object if there is any. I shall not go. She will not drink milk. For interrogative construction, helping verb will or shall plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object if there is any. Examples are: shall I go? Will she drink milk? Children, it is the present continuous tense that exclusively represents the present moment. We use the present continuous tense when we are required to express an action that is going on or is in progress at the present time. The example is: mother is cooking food. Present continuous expresses an action taking place at the present time but not necessarily at the present moment. These days I am revising my chapters. It is used to indicate a planned future event or a definite program in the near future. The example is: we are shifting to our new house next week. Past continuous suggests an action in progress at some point of time in the past. Children, now let us see the construction. For affirmative sentences, the construction will be subject plus was or were, these are helping verbs, plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. The examples are: I was going, she was drinking milk, they were drinking milk. For negative construction, subject plus was or were plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. I was not going, she was not drinking milk, they were not drinking milk. For interrogative construction, helping verb, that is was or were, plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object if there is any. Was I going? Were you drinking milk? The past continuous or progressive tense is used to express an action that was going on or continuing at some point of time in the past. The example is: the principal was taking a round of the school. It expresses two parallel actions which continued for some time in the past. While her mother was baking a cake, her father was watering the plants. It expresses a frequently repeated past action. The employees were always complaining. It expresses the gradual development of an action. It was getting dark. The future continuous tense, also referred to as the future progressive tense, indicates that something will occur in the future. The construction for future continuous tense is like this. For affirmative sentences, subject plus shall or will plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object if there is any. I shall be going. She'll be drinking milk. They will be drinking milk. For negative construction, subject plus shall or will plus not be plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. The examples are: I shall not be going, she'll not be drinking milk, they'll not be drinking milk. For interrogative construction, helping verb, that is will or shall, plus subject plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Shall I be going? Will she be drinking milk? We use future continuous or future progressive tense to express an action that will be going on or continuing at some point of time in the future. The example is, I'll be doing my homework in the evening. It expresses an action that is fairly certain to happen in the future. Next week, the principal will be addressing the parents of detained students.